Again, it's 3 a.m. and this time it's growth that's keeping you up. Revenue is rising, but cash is tighter because growth in IT services burns cash first. You hire, onboard, and buy tools before your revenue fully lands. You pay first, then you get paid. I've lived this as a president, COO, and a CFO in high growth IT service firms. The pattern is consistent. Unmanaged timing turns growth into cash drain. 2 fixes. First, change how you bill. Use upfront billing, deposits, or progress billing so cash comes in closer to when the costs go out. Second, tighten resource planning. Connect hiring to backlog, bookings, and pipeline. Ignore pipeline and you'll hire too early and burn cash, or too late and delay revenue. Do those 2 things and growth stops feeling dangerous. In video 6, we'll add one more lever: strategic debt, used correctly.